OFW, start your Travel and Tours Payment Center. Negosyo ba ang hanap mo? Wala kang 600k pesos, pero may cellphone at wifi ka? Dating walang-wala, ngayon business owner na. You can run your business at home at saan ka man naroroon with Global Pinoy Travel and Tours that pioneers the one-stop shop business in the Philippines. Be a franchise owner of the Philippines' #1 all-in-one business center that operates here and abroad. Payment center caters bills payment with over 2,000 billers, domestic and international airline tickets, money transfer like Cebuana, Western Union, credit to bank and more, GCash, e-insurance like Malayan, FEG, CTPL, local and international eluding business, shipping, TransAsia, Togo, Fastas, hotel booking, ATM withdrawals, career services, travel and tours packages, 24/7 customer support, free training and coaching. Become a franchise owner today. A lifetime business, no cash band, no renewal fee, no expiration. Message us now at Jonah Tours and Travel Services. Be one of us! This is your trusted travel partner, Jonah Tours and Travel Services.